Good day everyone. So for today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano nga ba pabilisin ang inyong phone. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, when every time I move my phone, medyo may konting delay yung pag-touch ko and yung pag-move ng mga icons ng aking cellphone or ng aking Android phone. So paano nga ba natin gagawin to speed up this rate? So first of all, you go to settings and then you scroll down and look for the display and brightness here. Now after that, look for the screen refresh rate. You see screen refresh rate and then you have the option here. You can choose dynamic, high or standard. So if you choose standard, you expect that there are some delays when every time you touch your phone, but you can choose high, then this will result to a highly smooth visuals. However, it uses more power. And then also you may use dynamic because it also balances the smooth display plus the battery life with the max refresh rate of 90 Hz. So for me, I choose dynamic. You have the option, it's either you choose dynamic or high. So again, this may be one of the possible reason why you experience delay in your cell phone. So you may choose dynamic, high, or standard. If your cell phone is on the standard, you expect some delay. But if you want the smooth one, you choose high or dynamic. So that's it for today.